Play and learn for kids. Listen, speak, read and learn. Please subscribe and click bell icon for more videos. General knowledge quiz for kids. Which is the world's largest country by size? Russia is the largest country by size. Which is the largest capital city in the world by population? Tokyo is the most populated city in the world. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. It has 54 countries. Which is the planet's longest river? The Nile, with 6,853 km in length, is the longest river. Which country has the most islands? Sweden. Which is the world's largest island? Greenland. Which language is spoken by the most people? Mandarin Chinese is spoken by about 1 billion people. Which is the world's smallest country? Vatican City. Which is the country with the largest population? China, with more than 1.3 billion people. Which country has the most number of languages? Papua New Guinea is the most multilingual country with over 839 living languages. How many countries are there in the world? One 195 countries. Which continent has no countries in it? Antarctica. Which continent has the least number of countries? South America. Which continent has the world's highest mountain? Asia, Mount Everest. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Africa. What do you call land with water on three sides? Peninsula. Which is the largest lake in the world? Caspian Sea. Which two continents does Russia belong to? Europe and Asia. Which is the largest volcano in the world? The Mount Lav. Which is the country with the most number of borders? China with 14 countries. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Africa. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.